Everybody, welcome. My name is Abid. Today we will discuss on the topic of First World War. Before we discuss this topic illustrately, I would like to shed light few points about the historical background of the First World War. So, guys, during the lecture of the nationalism and imperialism, at that time I have illustrately discussed with you that what does the exact meaning of the nationalism and imperialism. So, guys, you should be understand this the exact meaning, and right now I am reminding you that what is the exact meaning of the nationalism. Nationalism, very strong feelings of support for and pride in your own country, belief in independence for a particular country. So, guys, simply you should be understand what does the exact meaning of the nationalism. Very strong feelings of support for and pride in your own country, belief in independence for a particular country. So, guys, another topic, another discussion, what I have discussed the previous last lecture with you, it was imperialism. So, imperialism topic, or you can say that this topic or this reference is very essential and significant. Due to this cause, the First World War has been exist. So, you should understand, and right now I am reminding you that what is the exact and the reference, or you can say the exact meaning of the imperialism. So, guys, imperialism, a system in which one country extends in power and influence by defeating other countries in war, forming colonies. So, simply you should be understand that imperialism is a system of the government, one country extend his powers, his rule, another country. This is the exact meaning of the nation imperialism. So, guys, during the discussion of the imperialism, we found that there was one region that's name was the Balkans. The Balkans was a region of geographical and ethnic variation comprising modern day Romania, Bulgaria, Albania, Greece, Macedonia, Croatia, Bosnia Herzegovina, Slovenia, Siberia, and Montenegro, whose inhabitants were broadly known as the slaves. So, the Balkan area, or you can say the Balkans area, it was belong to the Romania, it was belong to that area, or you can say geography area in which we found the country like Romania, Albania, Serbia, etc., etc. So, this you can say that this region was under the control of, or you can say a large part of the Balkans was under the control of the Ottoman Empire. So, the Balkans was under the control of the Ottoman Empire. The separate of ideas of romantic nationalism in the Balkans together with the disintegration of the Ottoman Empire made this region very explosive. So, guys, when simply we can say that when the Ottoman Empire it had been disintegrated due to this cause, the Balkan, or you can say the Balkan region had become the dispute between the supreme power, or you can say among the supreme power like Germany, like Russia, England, and you found there so many states like the Greece, Albania, etc., etc. So, guys, the Balkan area became an area of intense conflict for the First World War. So, guys, that's why, because each power, Russia, German, England, Austro-Hungary, was keen on countering the hold of the other powers over the Balkans and extending its own control over the area. This led to a series of war in the region and finally the First World War. So, guys, come to the point, we are discussing about the topic of the First World War. So, guys, right now I am understanding you, or I am convinced to you through the reference that what is the exact meaning of the nationalism and imperialism, and after this what was the main cause, or you can main conflict for the First World War. So, come to the point, we are discussing about the topic of the First World War. So, guys, the First World War or World War First was a major war center in Europe that began on 28 July 1914 and lasted until 11 November 1988. So, guys, in objective type question you will find, or you can say that multiple choice question you will find that what is the exact date, or you can say from where the first world war had been start, and what was the date, or you can say last until the date of the first world war, what it has been completed, or you can say from where it is started, and from where, and beginning and the starting point, or you can say you have need to remember a certain date. So the main center of the first world war was Europe, and it had begun on 20th July 1940 and lasted until 11 November 1918. It involved all the world great powers which were assembled in two opposite alliance. The alliance based on the triple entity of the United Kingdom, France, and Russia, and other side was the central powers. So guys, this is the main fact. This is the main fact about the topic of the first world war, that one side were the allies power. We also called them triple entity, or you can say the states were United Kingdom, France, Russia, and another side. So another side, you found the opponent side, first world war, one side was the triple entity, and other side you can say the central powers, and originally centered around the triple allies of another side was Germany, Austria, Hungary, and Italy. These allies both recognized Italy fought for the allies and expand as more nations entered the war. Ultimately, more than 70 million military personnel, including 60 million Europeans, were mobilized in one of the largest war in history. So guys, here we are discussing about the topic of the first world war, and this is the exact status, how many people were included at that time, or you can say they also taken part in they had also taken part in this war. So more than 90 million combats were killed, largely because of the great technological and advance in the firepower without corresponding advance in the mobility. It was the sixth deadliest conflict in the world history, subsequently paving the way for various political changes such as resolution in the national involvement. So guys, long term cause of the war include the imperialistic foreign policies of the great powers of the Europe, including the German Empire, the Austria-Hungary Empire, the Ottoman Empire, the Russia Empire, and the Britain Empire, France, and Italy. So the main cause for the conflict of the first world war is imperialism. So guys, we have discussed illustratively that what does the exact meaning of the imperialism simply means a system in which one country extends in power and influence by defeating other countries in war, forming colonies. So this is the main fact, or you can say this is the main conflict for the first world war. This was the system of the imperialism, when one supreme power who extend their power and another country, or this had become the main cause or the main reason for the conflict of the first world war. So guys, another point. Firstly, we have observed that how many countries, one side was the central entity, central powers, and another side, one side we will feel some states, and opponent sides were the some state. So guys, this was the fact, and also the imperialism system was the second and first cause, and second cause is the assassination of the Archduke Franz Ferdinand of the Australia, the heir to the throne of the Austria-Hungary by a Yugoslavia. Nationally, it was the proximate great governor of the war. It resulted in the Habsburg ultimatum against the kingdom of the Siberia. So the main thing for the conflict of the first world war were the assassination of he was the ruler of the Austria, and who was killed by someone. So this blame was put on the, you can say, put on the Siberia, and due to this cause the first world war had been held and had been participated so many countries. Several alliances formed over the previous decades were invoked. So within weeks, the major powers were eight war, why their colonies. The conflict soon separate around the world. On 28 July, the conflict opened with the Austria-Hungary invasion of Siberia, followed by the German invasion of the Belgium, Luxembourg, and France, and a Russia attack against Germany after the German march on Paris was fought to halt. So several allies were formed during this period, and you found that there were on 28th July the conflict opened with the Austria-Hungary invasion of the Siberia. So the above discussion, we have discussion that the assassination of the friends at that time who was belong to the Austria-Hungary, and this blame was took on the put on the Siberia. But another point you will find here, on 28th July the conflict opened with the Austria-Hungary invasion of Siberia, and when Austria-Hungary attacked on Siberia, followed by the German invasion of the Belgium and Luxembourg, and France and Russia attacked another against Germany after the German march on Paris was brought to halt. So guys, the Western Front settled into a static battle of the attrition with a trench line that changed a little until 1917. In the east, the Russia army successfully fought against the Austro-Hungary forces, but was forced back by the German. So you found that what powers are eastern side or the western side or the northern side or the southern side, and what were the main powers during the period of First World War. They have participated in this war. So guys, in east side, in east the Russia army successfully fought against the Austria-Hungary forces, but was forced back the German army. Additionally, fronts opened after the open Ottoman Empire joined the war in 1914. Italy, Bulgaria. So these were the exact or the factual historical background of the First World War, when and where the supreme power had been participated in this war. So and the Russia left the war after October Revolution. Later that, and after 19, Germany offense along with the Western Front, United States forces entered the trenches, and the Allies drawn back the German armies in a series of successful offenses. Germany, which had its own trouble with revolutionaries at the point. So guys, agreed at this point agreed to a ceasefire on 11 November 1918, later known as the Armistice Day. The war had ended in the victory for the alliance. By the war's end, four major imperial powers, the Germany, Russia, Austria-Hungary, and Ottoman Empire, had been militarily and politically defeated, ceased to exist. So guys, the successor states of the former two lost a great amount of territory, while the latter two were dismantled entirely. The map of the Central Europe was redrawn into several smaller states. The League of Nations was formed in the hope of the preventing another such conflict. So guys, here we found that how many countries they have participated in First World War, and at that time, and also we observe that when they have left this war, when they have compromised with each other, and for such compromises they have established, or you can say they have formed a league. That's name was League of Nation. It was formed in 1920. So guys, the League of the Nation was formed in the hope of the next war, or you can say next such conflict should be not exist. So guys, the European nationalism spawned by the war and the breakup of the empire, the repercussions of the Germany defeated and problems with the Treaty of the Versailles are generally agreed to be factor contributing to the Second World War. The war had profound economic consequences of the 60 million European soldiers who were mobilized from the 1940-1980, and 8 million were killed, 7 million were permanently disabled. So guys, here is the exact status that how much loss at that time during the period of the First World War had been exist. So guys, here we found that Germany lost 15.1% of the active male population. Australia-Hungary lost 17%, and France lost it aboard the British blockade during the war. By the end of the war, famine had killed it approximately 18,000, and Russia Russia feminine of itne. So this were the main effect of the due to the First World War has been what in which field and how much affected has had been taken at that time, or you can say had been observed at that time. So guys, numerous anti-South Russian fled the country after the revolution. By the 1930, the northern Chinese cities, or you can say that 1,000 Russians, thousands more immigrated to the France, England. So there are some countries they have migrated, the other countries it is only because of the due to this conflict, or you can say the due to this war. So in 1914 alone Louis burn epidemic typhoid killed it itne. So there were exist so many epidemic, you can say so many diseases, and due to this the whole of the Europe, or you can say the whole of the world had been affected at that time. It is only because of the First World War. So guys, overall, overall the 1918 pandemic killed it at least 50 million people. The impact of the war could be seen in economy in the form of inflation, unemployment, etc. The Great Depression was one of the most distress effect of the war, which was destroyed the whole economy. So the main, or you can say the complete effect was on the economy, and due to this cause disease, or due to this cause unemployment, or you can say inflation had been increased, or and this was the main, or you can say the main discussion, or you can say the main references of the First World War. So guys, here I have made I will provide you this in a PDF form in front of you. This reference or what material I have provided you, it's very sufficient for you if you are preparing yourselves for the UPSC, or you can say civil service, or you can say any board examination, college examination. If you will write this topic there as I have provided you, definitely you will got your high score. And in the end, I heartily request you that guys, please share this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.